Hey there! Welcome to Proctor Hacks, your go-to destination for all the latest tips and tricks on proctored exams. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. A proven method to outsmart the Respondus Lockdown Browser in 2024. But here's the kicker. I'm not just going to talk about it. I'm going to show you a step-by-step video of the Lockdown Browser being bypassed, complete with undeniable proof. So stick around because this is a game changer you won't want to miss. Before going into the details of how to cheat on Respondus Lockdown Browser, we must know that what it is and how it works. Respondus Lockdown Browser is software that is designed to take online exams with strong security to prevent cheating. This means it puts a lockdown on your device, preventing any pesky printing, copying, wandering off to other websites, or sneaking a peek at other applications while you're taking your test. Alright, let's tackle the burning question head-on. Can the Respondus Lockdown Browser, armed with its fortress-like security measures, be bypassed for the purpose of cheating on an exam? The resounding answer is yes. Now you might be wondering, how on earth is that possible? Here's the scoop. Respondus Lockdown Browser has upped its game with the latest version, making old tricks and techniques obsolete. But fear not, because it can still be outsmarted, but only by employing the expertise of a technical wizard. This method involves the deployment of a custom software crafted by the expert themselves. This ingenious software allows them to slip through the Lockdown Browser's defenses, essentially stepping into the shoes of the student and taking the exam on their behalf. It's a technical marvel, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. In this eye-opening video, we've got concrete proof of the Respondus Lockdown Browser is being bypassed as a student collaborates with a technical expert to remotely control their device. Watch closely, and you'll witness the Lockdown Browser being expertly bypassed, with the student seamlessly moving to the next step after overcoming the app-closing obstacle. Now, you might be wondering about the safety of using the technical expert method to cheat on the Respondus Lockdown Browser. The answer may surprise you. Yes, it's safe. Why, you ask? Well, here's the scoop. Once that custom software does its magic and bypasses the Lockdown Browser, it operates like a ghost in the machine. This means it leaves no trace behind in the activity monitor or task manager, seamlessly working in the background without a whisper of its presence on the CPU. In essence, it's the ultimate stealth mode. So when it comes to foolproof cheating on the Lockdown Browser, the technical expert method is the way to go, as all other methods simply won't cut it. If you're looking for assistance with bypassing the Respondus Lockdown Browser and want to connect with our team of technical experts, you'll find the link conveniently placed in the video description below. Click that link to access the support you need. Thanks for watching this video.